So, nanood tayo ngayon ng vlog ni Marco Mars. And gusto natin matutong mag-vlog. Yeah, that's the reason for me watching those Filipino vloggers na, you know, marami ng subscriber. Naghahanap tayo ng mga tips and tricks kung paano ginagawa nila, kung vlog sila. So, anong gagawin natin? My name po pala is TJ Aldea. I am based and living in New York City for now. I work in a small movie, ano bang sasabihin ko yun? Agency ba? Basta, movie productive group, which is doing a lot of indies, ganyan. And yeah, ano bang angle ko? Parang gusto ko lang mag-vlog. Napakaliwanag. So, nakita ko yung nakita ko yung mga vlogs nila. It was like 30 minutes long, mga 40 minutes long. Wow, I don't know paano nila nagagawa yun. Pero for me, siguro baguhan ako. I'm shy to talk to the camera. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga sasabihin ko, so hindi ko muna mas siguro hahabaan yung video ko. So the reason I'm watching those vloggers, yung mga Filipino vloggers especially, kasi I'm looking for a niche. I don't know kung mag-stick ako sa tech reviews and boxing videos, because I love watching this guy who's si Marco Mars. He got a nice video, a nice audience, decent audience, meron siyang subscriber. And yeah, I mean, hindi lang naman siya yung pinapanood ko. Marami pa rin akong ibang YouTubers na pinapanood. Lalo na yung mga babae, pinapanood ko rin yan. Kasi nakikita ko, putya, haba ng vlog sila. It was like 50 minutes, you know. Kakaiba yun, mga alamat. So, when I was watching this dude's vlog, may bago na naman siyang vlog. I don't know how he do it. When he do it, I don't know, yung plan niya parang kakaiba. I don't know, parang gustong gusto ko na tuloy mag-vlog. Ewan ko, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung may manunod sa akin. This is gonna be my first vlog, and I don't know how it goes. Siguro nalalabas yung bahala na si Batman. Bahala na kung ano mangyayari. So, as he said do sa videos niya, na hindi naman sa lahat ng oras may nanonood. Like, he started like 20 views, 30 views, 50 views, naging thousands, naging, well, hopefully. But I don't promise na makakapag-upload ako everyday like he do. There's most of the time because I'm working. So, probably twice a week, give or take, maybe. So, hopefully, may mag-subscribe sa akin, may and yeah, para, I mean, this is my hobby, this is what I like to do. Yung gumawa ng video, gumawa ng film, create something, you know, for YouTube. That's what I wanna try, para maiba naman. So, for those of you who wanna know kung ano yung ginagamit ko pang vlog, as for now, ito na lang muna siguro. I'm rocking with the Sony A7C Mark II with the Sigma 20mm f 1.4. Ito pa lang yung aking Sony. Kasi I wanna vlog nga, kaya bumili ako ng mas magaan because I couldn't vlog with the bigger camera like this. Yung camera ko na to is the Canon R5C, and fully rig siya, napakabigat. Kaya I got a couple of cameras. Meron akong mga iba-iba pero malalaki sila, like yung mga cinema camera, like the Blackmagic ones, yung ginagamit ko kadalasan during shoot. And yeah, this is my new to my arsenal, yun nga Sony A7C Mark II with the 20mm f1.4 Sigma. Meron siyang ND filter, which is the Polar Pro, the second edition, and yung Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Hindi ko pa siya pinapalitan. I wanna buy the yung Sony ewan ko, basta may yung maliit siya na for Sony na you don't need a cable for you to use the mic. And yun ang plano ko, hopefully this week pag naging available ako, yun ang gagawin ko, bibili ako. And yeah, parang gusto ko na magseryoso dito sa pag-vlog. Yeah, ito yung aking setup, and I'm using the Ulanzi TT38 for my tripod. Ayokong gamitin yung GorillaPod, which is napakabigat, which is this bad boy. Ayokong gumamit ito kasi ang laki niya, ang bigat niya. And it takes space pagka nilalagay ko siya sa bag ko. Not like this, yung Ulanzi TT38, na liit niya. And yeah, so hindi ko alam kung anong idadagdag ko sa video na to. So thumbnail lang, for thumbnail. So yeah, siguro lalabas ako. So unfortunately hindi ako makakalabas kasi nakakatamad, kasi makapal yung snow sa labas. Hindi naman siya kalamigan, pero alam mo yun, pag nag-i-snow kasi nakakatamad mag-drive. Slippery, tapos maputik, you know. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko talaga. Kaya that's the other reason kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog. Matagal ko nang gustong simulan, matagal ko nang gustong gumawa, kaso ang hirap talaga. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-i-start, kung anong niche ang gagawin ko, kung ano bang approach ang gagawin ko, introduction, music, you know, all of those stuff. I mean, may kaalaman ako kasi I work in the movie industry. Kaya lang, yung sarili ba, parang sarili mo, hindi mo kayang mag-start ng walang tulong. Parang ganun yung mindset ko. So, ito sana yung gagamitin ko. Kaya lang, napakalaki ng files pagka yung inano mo sa computer. Kaya sabi ko parang I'll stick to small camera na lang, like this. Well, hindi naman to small masyado kasi mabigat pa rin sa kamay. Kaya yeah, siguro hanggang dito na lang muna yung for my first vlog. Para naman I'll see kung may manunood ba. Hindi ko alam yung technique kung paano ba sisimulan talaga para may manood na ano. And dito ako sa US area, kaya kailangan English yung salita for what I know. Kasi naman tayo, tagilid yung English ko kaya hindi ko alam talaga. So hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Bago pa lang po ako, so tulungan niyo po ako. Let's grow up together. Ayoko nung sub to sub. Marami akong nakikita niyan, pero Ano like, gusto ko yung organic, yung totoong nanonood, alam mo, yung totoong subscriber na laging nandyan naghihintay. So, hanggang dito na lang siguro and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.